What's good, y'all? Another install today. Rel's back.
What's up?
Supra's back. We did the intake literally yesterday.
Yes.
Alright, so we got a front splitter, side skirt extensions, and race ramps so we could jack up the car in less than an hour. Oh, pretty cool. What brand is that?
AeroFlow Dynamics. So
oh, okay, for sure.
yeah, so I got these pieces. So I got the front splitter and I got the extensions for one main reason. Is not for the aero, but it's for
the aero
prep. It's for when we drop the car this weekend. Supposedly my guard for the front lip as well as the side skirts, because I'm gonna eventually get carbon fiber side skirts. I have a carbon fiber lip coming, so these are basically just going to protect it from scrapes and
low car life
the above, right? So
yeah, my lips all scraped up too because it's too low. So yeah,
so
this will protect the fancy carbon down the line.
Yeah,
cool.
So I'm basically just using it for protection. Yeah, I look good for now. Cool. We're gonna place it on the stock lip right now. Go over there again.
Yeah, I know. Walk all the way over here. Yeah, so we're just mounting it to the stock lip. Yeah, I think you have a carbon lip too, right?
Yeah, I have that coming. It's back ordered right now. So eventually we're going to be swapping it out anyway. And we're going to be retrofitting the splitter onto the carbon fiber lip. But for now, we'll just put it on, see how it looks. For sure. So, yeah. All right, let's do it.
Boy! Boy! Look at that. We're professional. We got ramps now. Did you hear that, bro? They're mimicking your exhaust. They say brr, brr, brr. Whatever they're doing to that GS over there. I don't know if y'all could see that. Slamming the GS maybe over there. Maybe that's what they're doing. I don't even know if my car would clear these ramps. Cool. Well, that makes it easier. Wow. Could literally just throw the lip on right now. Wow, race ramps are awesome. We don't even need to jack the car up to get the side skirts on. That's great. That's crazy. Nice. Nice. Right. Maybe need some shoe boxes to hold it up.
I think it might be just like the stock holes, maybe.
Yeah, it might just be.
Bruh. Easiest install ever, dog.
Hey, don't jinx it, bro. Make sure you got Cody on speed dial. Let's take a look at this thing. I actually don't know, maybe not. Also, I know which side is up. This side. Oh, it says up right there. I wonder why. Pro tip: invest in one of these moving blankets. And by invest, I mean pull it out of a U-Haul truck, because that's where we found ours. Super, super nice, super big, so we could just lay it out. We don't get dirty, and we don't scratch the lip, because we could set it down on a nice soft surface. Girl's looking at a video right now to try to figure out where this thing mounts up to. There's a set of spacers that go, we believe, in the middle, because the stock front bumper isn't flat. It kind of dips up in the middle, so. Yeah, what he said. We're going to pull this tray out and see how much space we have to get like bolts, because we got to drill through and hold the bolt on the other end. We're just pulling out this black tray first. All right, under tray is off. Splitter mock-up time. Woo. Splitter is becoming my best friend. All right, we put a, oh, you can't even see that. We Sharpied a hole here and Sharpied a circle there. Marked out these 2 holes here. So we're gonna drill pilot holes on each side. So we're gonna do the 4 outer ones first, zip the bolts through, then measure out the center bits. Cool. Always do pilot holes. It'll save you a lot of time later. Butter! 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 Butter!
Yo, this is so awkward. This is so awkward.
I was waiting for.
Yo, I can't do this with my left hand, bro.
Like, I can't wait to edit some like elevator music on this.
Bro, my left arm is so numb.
Bro, be better.
No, I'm gonna do it without you looking.
Yeah, that's sometimes you just gotta feel it, you know?
Yeah, there you go.
All right, all the YouTube tutorials says to take the bumper off, or at least the one that we watched.
You don't gotta do it.
And yeah, you probably don't have to do it. I think the only reason is these front bolts with the front spacers, that spacer there, right there. The bolt head, you're not gonna be able to see this at all. Oh, yeah, you can. The bolt head is like all the way in there, so you kind of gotta finagle your hand under everything with the wrench. It actually saved us some time not having to remove the bumper. We're just able to zip these all in. Hey, you can see me. What's up? Another cool thing, all the hardware is actually countersunk. Has countersunk washers. So that's a pretty cool attention to detail. This one needs to be tightened a little bit, but it's like nice and flat, so you don't break a bolt head off scraping on something. That's pretty cool. All right, yep, bro's just tightening the last bolt. Then we're going to take a look at it and move on to the side skirts, or side skirt extensions, or side splitters, or whatever. Cool. Hey, bro, I think one splitter rod right in the middle.
Okay. You should go like this.
Yo, extra bumper reinforcement. You strengthen the bumper to its own bumper. All right, cool.
Oh, yo.
You've seen people do like eyelids on their car. All right, we got the splitter mounted up. You can see the spacers here and here. It's all bolted up at the bottom.
Did you let them know why there's spacers?
Yeah, I did earlier, but it's because this is lower here than in the middle, so it needs. But when we get the lip, it'll be nice and flat. So, oh yeah, we're not putting the splitter rods on because we think they look a little ricey. Oh man, see that? Look at this.
Yeah, they're not needed.
Yeah, they're not needed. I mean, it's pretty solid, so hopefully it doesn't fly off on you. All right, cool. Let's go do the side skirts now. Should be the same process. We just tightened the last two bolts on this side as well as on this side of the extensions. Threw the race ramps under and we are all done. Was it too bad? Bro's gonna go pull it off now. Take a look at what it looks like. It's so loud every time. Don't step on it.
I know. Yeah,
it's gonna cut up your ankles. Jeez. Sheesh. Pretty cool. You know, honestly,
yo, that's sick.
I thought it was gonna look like it sticks out more, but it actually isn't too bad because it flows with the black, you know. That's sick.
Yo.
Front lip and side skirt extensions. Probably adds like 3 inches to the front and 3 inches to the side and like 4 inches to the front. Pretty cool. Now cut my ankles on here, bro. Done. Looking quite mean, man. You know, it doesn't really show up too much on camera. It just looks like a black lip on camera.
Yeah.
But in person, it's kind of really aggressive.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And I think it widens the stance of the car much nicer because before it kind of like curves in. I know, it's that season. Good work, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Alrighty, y'all. Hope you all enjoyed. More content coming soon. Peace.